Hi, everyone. Today we're going to read a very special book for my family. Ever since my first daughter was born, I read this book to her every night as part of our bedtime routine. I hope you love it just as much as we do. Today we're going to read Dinosaurs by Sandra Boynton. When the sun has gone down and the blue stars appear, then the dinosaurs know that their bedtime is near. So they all clean their teeth and their sweet faces too. Then they wriggle and stretch, just like dinosaurs do. Their pajamas are cozy. They all put them on. Then they yawn and they yawn and they yawn and they yawn.